Hey guys, so today I'm going to just kind of go over a couple things for the passage that you have to turn in to me. It's in your reading books on pages 360 and 361 or 360 all the way to 362. You've got 3 pages of reading, and then you've got a few pages of your questions. So the first thing I want to point out is that this is a folk tale. Gu Dong is coming. And you need to remember that this is what makes a folk tale. Go back to thinking about what we talked about that makes a folk tale. What do you see in these pictures? See lots of animals. Remember, animals are in there and they're going to have some of the qualities of a human. This is actually a traditional Chinese folk tale. So let's look at the words to know. You have a papaya, dared, and trembled. These 2 words, I'm sure you probably have heard and know what they mean probably. Someone dared you to do something. You trembled because you were so scared. And then you're going to learn about a papaya. All right? So you'll look at those. Remember, guys, try this strategy of looking at your questions first. Read your questions first. Then go back and read the story the first time just to go through and decode your story. And then read the story again to have more understanding, because the first time you were working more on decoding and understanding what some of the words meant. If you read your questions first, it's going to help you. Your brain will already have the questions in their mind. You won't memorize them, but when you're reading your story, you're going to be like, oh, I remember that part. That question, it asked me a question about that. Oh, it was asking me a question about that. Things will you will comprehend things better from the story and know how to apply them to your questions. Another thing I want you to do is make sure that you're paying attention to bold words in your questions. This one wants 2 important details. Okay? And it tells you the page number to look on. So please look at that page. Number 2, you have a part A and part B. Part A, you answer. It tells you a page number to look at. Then you, again, bold word, 2 details. So I need 2, not 1, guys. All right, keep going. Number 3, best. Which sentence best shows? Okay. Number 4, you're going to read this sentence, and it is straight from paragraph 10. And then you're going to tell me, what does this word mean in this sentence? Not overall, but in this sentence, okay? Then you have plan your response and then write an extended response. And they only give you 1 section to do that. So when you're planning your response, this is write what you think the lesson of the story is. Make a list of details from the text and the pictures that help you teach. Write your lesson right here. What's the lesson of the story? What did you learn? Or what did they learn in the story? And then here you can make a list. A list is just jotting down the ideas, not formal sentences. Make a list of the details. Okay? Then when you go to answer number 6, where it says explain how Gu Dong is coming, teaches a lesson and use details from the text and the pictures, look, and text and pictures to support your idea, you're going to have your lesson here, and then you're going to have your details that you picked out, or underline them in your story and use them. Okay? All right, guys. Do a good job. Take your time, and I know you can do it. Have a good day.